Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I am Uri. Today I'm going to show you how to decorate your table for Thanksgiving. I'm going to sit 6 in this table, and if you didn't see the transformation for this table, I'm going to link the video in the description box. This used to be just a traditional wood table, and I transformed this table to a one-of-a-kind. But let's get going. Let me show you how to decorate your table for Thanksgiving.
Uri Designs, unique expressions.
First, I'm adding the runner, and then I'm going to just add this here. What I'm going to do is balance. I'm going to just, so I'm going to be making sure that I have more or less the same concept here, the same concept here. Here, so it's balancing the materials, the colors. And I'm going to add these little pumpkins. I got these pumpkins at the Dollar Tree like last year. I just added this leaf here to give it a new look. I'm pairing the rustic with the shiny, and it's okay, you can do that. I'm going to just add this one here. I'm going to put this here. Okay, so that's done. Now I'm going to move here. And I'm doing the same thing with this, the shiny pumpkin. Now this one here, I made it. It's a crochet pumpkin, and I have the tutorial for this one as well. And I'm going to put it in the description. More of these little line cones. Another one of these. Pretty simple. You see, so it's the balance. The balance, it's a good thing. I made this as well. I'm going to put the link for this tutorial as well. This used to be just a regular sign, and I'm going to put this tray in the middle. I got these at the Dollar Tree. They came in a package, and I'm just going to put it there. I'm going to just so kind of like this is the centerpiece of the table. So more fun things here to put. So this as well, I made it, and it's going to be, the link is going to be in the description so you can see it if you want. This I made it as well. And this, of course, this is going to be with candy corn probably, but I have to put it in. I don't want to put it in just now. So now we're done with our decorations for the table. Now, one more thing. I'm just going to add this here with a stain foam. Let's see how this is. Like that, stain foam. So now I'm going to set the table. Sometimes you find charters, and you can put the charters and then the plates. I love this better. A beautiful plate. This is from Pioneer Women. I got it at Walmart. So the pattern goes underneath, then this plate, something to tie in the grays, the silver, the colors. And I'm going to just put a napkin here. And I'm going to do that for all of them. So the next thing to do is going to be the silverware, the right, and then the fork on the left, and then I'm going to do the spoon for this the dessert. And I'm going to continue doing the same thing for all of them. So the next thing to do is going to be the dessert plate. Now, coming back to this idea, I love it because this could be for the salad or the side dishes, and this for the main course. Now we're gonna take care of the dessert. Okay, so this is where the fun comes. I made this. You can either put them here, or you can put them here. I'm gonna leave them here. And maybe this color goes better with this, and this one will go better with this. And I'm gonna do that for the rest. Okay, so now we need to take care of the drinks. Okay, so the drinks are gonna be here. I love this. Don't you love it? Look at this, the pattern. It's checker. Also, it gives a little bit more of an antique look. So what do you think? I think it came out beautiful. I love it. I really hope I'm inspiring you to be creative in your unique ways and decorate for Thanksgiving. But most important, I wanted to wish you a beautiful Thanksgiving with friends and family. Until next time, goodbye.